This painting right here on the easel, I started in the same way as that water-based oil one, except this is done with acrylic paints, which obviously can also be watered down to create very thin layers. And in a way, it's advantageous because acrylic dries a lot faster than oil, so you don't have to stop and wait a day in between. You just can go on with it in very short time. And therefore I was able to finish this whole painting pretty quickly once I knew what it was. And how you can see the paint has been built up layer by layer until it gets quite textural here. There is palette knife work on top of a lot of brushwork. And this painting represents a story of lovebirds and they are working together to create a sort of safe central space in this beautiful story here, a book telling of their story. But here we see the wing of the female bird is connected to an invisible being which can't be seen. So this painting is acrylic on canvas. It's 4 by 3 and it is done with brush and palette knife. And if you'd like to purchase it, please see the details in my shop. Thank you.